The sacral chakra may manifest as overindulgence in pleasures like food, alcohol, or sex. This chakra is linked to the reproductive glands, the ovaries in women and testes in men. An imbalance may contribute to issues like estrogen dominance, low testosterone, and reproductive health issues such as PCOS, infertility, or low libido. If you are interested in getting early access to my courses on hormone health and chakra healing, comment chakra and I'll share the details with you. As a certified holistic nutritionist, I firmly believe that emotions, mental health, and physical health are deeply interconnected. So when anatomists dissected the human body to examine its intricate details, they still could not locate the mind. This is because our existence extends beyond the physical realm. So we have three different types of bodies: the physical, the astral, which is also called the energy body, and the spiritual body. Today I want to zoom in a little bit on the energy body. So the energy body consists of nadis, also called energy channels, and chakras, which are called energy centers. They are also called plexus. So there are 72,000 nadis in our energy body and 108 chakras. But today our focus will be on 7 major chakras, and these 7 major chakras correspond to the 7 major endocrine glands in the physical body. So in this 2-part video series, I will explain the 7 major chakras, the endocrine glands they are linked to, and the hormones involved, and how chakra imbalances may cause certain symptoms and health issues. So the first chakra is the Mooladhara chakra, also called the root chakra. The core theme of the root chakra is trust. Trust in yourself, trust in others, and trust in the divine. Essentially, you are telling yourself that whatever is happening in your life, good or bad, is happening for a reason, and it's for the greater good. You are surrendering all the outcomes to the divine. And when your root chakra is balanced, you feel a strong sense of safety and security. On the other hand, an underactive root chakra can cause feelings of insecurity and instability. You remain anxious about the future, constantly worrying about the outcome goals. As a result, there is a lack of focus as you're either dwelling in the past or worrying about the future, and this results in energy wastage, resulting in fatigue. Whereas on the other hand, an overactive root chakra can result in greed and materialism. It can lead to over-attachment to routine or security, obsession with physical possessions, and paranoia or excessive fear about your material world. The root chakra is where the Kundalini Shakti, which is the life force, the prana, is said to reside, lying dormant until awakened. It is considered the foundation of the energy body, and the gland associated with the root chakra is the adrenal gland, located just above the kidneys. Cortisol is the main hormone produced by the adrenals. Cortisol is not just a stress hormone, but it is a master regulator that plays key roles, including energy balance, regulating the immune system, and supporting brain health. Swadhisthana chakra, also called the sacral chakra, is located just a few finger breadths lower to your navel. It governs the water or everything fluid in the human body. The sacral chakra's core theme is creativity. It also relates to fun, flexibility, pleasure, and money. When balanced, it leads to emotional well-being and the ability to express feelings freely. But when underactive, it may cause emotional numbness or disconnection from your feelings, difficulty forming relationships, and most importantly, lack of creativity and inspiration. And when overactive, the sacral chakra may manifest as overindulgence in pleasures like food, alcohol, or sex. It may also result in emotional instability, mood swings, or an excessive need for validation from others. This chakra is linked to the reproductive glands, the ovaries in women and testes in men. These glands produce the sex hormones estrogen and testosterone. An imbalance may contribute to issues like estrogen dominance, low testosterone, and reproductive health issues such as PCOS, infertility, or low libido. Detailed videos of each health issues will be uploaded on our channel, so make sure to subscribe. Finally, the third chakra is called the Manipur chakra. It is linked with the power of the sun, hence the yellow color. It is also called the solar plex, and it relates to your willpower, confidence, digestion, and metabolism. The key word here is confidence. So when balanced, it makes you a strong, confident, and empowered individual. You have incredible willpower and you are in control of your life and decisions. However, when underactive, it may lead to low self-worth and lack of confidence. You are unable to assert and have difficulty making decisions. And when overactive, it may lead to arrogance or aggression. Imbalance in this chakra may lead to digestive related disorders like diabetes, IBS, constipation, liver or pancreatic issues. The gland associated with this chakra is the pancreas, and the main hormone is insulin. Right, now we have covered the three foundational chakras, and imbalances in these chakras often manifest as issues in their corresponding hormone glands. Balancing these chakras require a holistic approach, which includes breathing and meditation practices, a plant-forward diet which is rich in key nutrients specific to each chakras, yoga, asanas, and much more. So I'm currently developing a hormone health course designed to help individuals assess their hormone health status, identify unique problem areas, which allows them to create an actionable plan to balance their hormones effectively. If you are interested in getting early access to my courses on hormone health and chakra healing, comment chakra and I'll share the details with you. I'm Akash. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you so much for watching.